Hello, Mr. Lane is ready to teach you how to use the APE strategy. We actually renamed it NAPE, N-A-P-E. We renamed it NAPE because my students suggested, well, Mr. Lane, you teach us to pull out the numbers in a word problem. So that's the first thing we have to do. After that, we're going to look at the answer, the proof, and then we're going to explain it using words. All right, I'm going to shift this a little bit here so you all can focus on this for right now. It says Michaela drew a picture on each of 6 pages. I'm going to write 6 for the number of pages that we have. Then each picture had 2 people on them. 2 people. Ariel drew 5 people on 1 page. 5 people. How many people were drawn totally? I want you to pause the video. I want you to write down the numbers first. We have 6 pages. We have 2 people on each page. And then we have 5 people on 1 page that Ariel drew on that 1 page. So I want you to pause the video so that you can get this part down. This is N for NAPE. And we're going to look at A-P-E for APE. Okay? Now that you have paused and you have 6, 2, and 5 there, we want to go back in and instead of going straight to the answer, we want to look at the proof first. We want to, I always say proof is in a picture, all right? So I want you to draw. It says Michaela drew a picture on each of 6 pages. Let's draw those pages. 1, 2, do it with me, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all right? So now we have the 6 pages that were there. It said each picture had 2 people on them, all right? So she drew a picture, but each of those pictures that were on the pages had 2 people on them. So there's 1 person, 2 people. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 people on each page. All right. Then Ariel drew 5 people on 1 page. So I gotta include Ariel's page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many people were drawn totally? So now I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. If I don't know how to multiply though, I can add 2 and 2, that's 4. 4 plus 2, that's 6. 8, 10, 12. Now, am I done? No, that's the first step. I had to add up the ones that Michaela did. Now, Ariel did 5, so I'm going to add her 5 to Michaela's 12. 2 and 5 is 7, and 1, 10. That's 1, 10, and 7, 1, 17. So that means that there are 17. Now, some teachers will take this, but whenever we're doing the NAPE strategy, we want to separate our information, okay? I hope you were pausing if you were trying to catch up. But listen, now the answer is 17. That's all I have to put there because I proved it and showed my picture here. Now I'm going to explain exactly what I did. This is the part I want you to pause for a minute, talk about how you got the answer 17, and then we're going to explain it together, okay? I'm going to explain in my words, but your words may be different, but I want everyone in your group, in your row, to be talking about how you could get to 7. I'm going to give you a second. All right, now let's look. The first thing we did, we drew our 6 pages. We drew 6 pages with 2 people each page. After I did that, I drew aerials. Then I drew aerials 5 people. I added 12 plus 5 and got 17. There were some things that I left out of there. I want to see if you can find what I missed. I missed the steps to get to 12. I want to see if you can tell me what I was missing. Okay. I missed the repeated addition here. If I didn't show the repeated addition, I should have talked about 2 times 6. I said that then I drew aerials 5. I talked about the 2 people on each page, but I didn't say how I got the 12. So make sure if you put a number in there, I should know how you got to it unless it was already put in the word problem. If it was not put in the word problem and you put it in the explanation, you have to tell how you got to that number. All right? Everyone understand this? I pray, I hope that you are paying attention on task so that we can do this each and every day, especially when Mr. Lane is out. All right, I'll be able to put these videos up and make sure that you all are getting this information. All right, and this is the best way to do 2-step problems, because even when you forget to talk about something, you'll see it in the picture. Remember, I can look at your picture, even if you wrote the incorrect answer, I can look at their picture and clarify what were they thinking, what was going on in their mind. There was one child that may have put 19 there. Maybe you just forgot one day and you just put 7 instead of 17. If I saw it down here, I would know at least you had the right thinking. It was there, it was in the picture, but maybe you just made a mistake transferring that information. All right, so we want to stop right here. There is a second video that I want to do with you, and then after that we will be finished. But this picture is very important. Get your paper ready to do your second 2-step problem. All right.